Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can reset all the network settings on your Windows, especially if you are having trouble or you are having trouble with your network and then you want to reset the network settings, then just simply follow me for the procedure. So first is we are going to open the command prompt in the Windows search bar, type here cmd. On the right pane, click on Run as Admin. Then here, just follow me for the commands that we are going to run here. First is ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter. Next command, natsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, natsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter. Next command, natsh space int space ipv4 space reset log.txt. Hit enter. Then it will state restart the computer to complete the action. We are going to type exit first, and then we are going to move to the next methods before we are going to make a restart of our Windows. So in the Windows search bar, type here Internet Options. Click on that. Now this will appear. Click on the Advanced tab. Click on Restore Advanced Settings. Click on the Programs. Now there's nothing to do from here. Click on Connections. Click on LAN Settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is on. And if the proxy server is checked, just simply uncheck that. Click on the content. Click on Clear SSL State. Click on OK. Then click on the Security. Now there's nothing to do from here. Click on General. There's nothing to do from here. Now once done, click on Apply and then OK. And then click on the Start button. Go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. And click on Network Reset. And click on the Reset Now. And you have to click on Yes. And then after that, your PC will be restarted. So that's it. That's how you can reset the network settings on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.